happy swan. I'm a happy swan. Swan, 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 swan. I'm a happy swan. Today I am going to be showing another in my magic bag. So today is all about puppets and dimples. Ooh, this is so exciting! Yay! Okay, let's see what's in my magic bag. Ooh. My magic bag is full of wonder, magic, and mostly toys. I'm so excited! What do we have first? Let us see. Wow! This octagon puppet. This octagon puppet is really soft, but not too soft on the other side. So this sometimes pops on its own. That's what makes me frustrated. It just pops, pops, and pops, and pops. It's a non-stop puppet, you know. It sometimes distracts you as well. Yellow is also my favorite color, and octagon is my favorite shape. And this already matches the things that I love. Okay, let us move on. Yay! What's in my magic bag? A magnificent magic bag. I'm so excited. Ooh. What do we have? Ooh, whoa, this is so gigantic. Wow, it has a lot of parts to pop, although it's been cut into pieces. And you can, as you can see, you can pop the eye. Alright, maybe this gives me an idea. Let us sing. Alright, this is a swan. Swan to swan, the swan. The swan is swimming and eating, making friends all around the pool, saying hello, 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 hello. I like to dance, swan, swan, I like to sing. Swan, swan, it's such a beautiful day for me to sing out loud. Yeah, 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 I'm a swan. Yeah, 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 I'm a swan. Yeah, 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 I'm a happy swan. Yeah, I'm a happy swan. Everybody sing along. I'm a happy swan. I'm a happy swan. Swan, 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 swan. I'm a happy swan. Wow! Good job for singing along with me, you guys. Talented singing. And this is also my favorite puppet. Yay! Good job, everybody. Let us move on. Ooh, what do we have in our magnificent magic bag? Wow, I'm so excited. So now we are moving on to dimples. So this is an Among Us dimple. If you guys don't know Among Us, it's basically a game. And it's also really, really hard to pop on both sides. And it also has a keychain. The keychain is very small, but also useful if you want to maybe put it in your bag, hang it, or chain it in your bag, or in the luggage maybe. Yeah. And this one is also has the good side and the bad side, like always. So basically, dimples, if you don't know, dimples are almost like puppets, but have a little bit of things to pop. Wow, these are all my favorite colors. I love orange, I love yellow, I love blue, and I also love pink and green. Alright, let's move on to our last dimple. And this dimple will blow your mind. And this is so cool. And everybody loves this dimple. Oh. Whee! This is my favorite dimple in the whole world, which you can tell you can just pop it. And it also has a good side and a bad side. So then this also spins like a fidget. I really don't know what this is called. Maybe it's called a spinner dimple, maybe. I'm just assuming. Because this really is so cool. And it's also really fun to play with and entertaining. And all these colors are also my favorite. Except for purple. Purple's not really my favorite color, but I'm fine with that. Wow. You can find these in a lot of stores because this is the most new trending. It's so fun. And that's all for my poppets and dimples, everyone. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to stay tuned to my other videos and stories. I hope you have a great day, everyone. Bye! Hi, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!